Kerner. Today, I would like to show you a simple science activity you can do with the children in your classrooms, especially during outside time. This is a scale, and we use it to measure objects that may weigh less or heavy. And when objects weigh more or heavy, at times it goes down. The bucket goes down, and if it's lighter, then the bucket will go up in an upwards motion. So let's see what happens when I put objects inside of these buckets. So what I have here is a big tree branch. No, it's a tree stump. Yeah, I have a big tree stump, and the tree stump. Let's see what happens when we put it in one of the buckets. Look at it, it's going down. Looks like this one is heavy. If it weighs more, it's heavy. The bucket will go down. And let's see what happens if we put this yellow ball inside the other bucket. Looks like it's lighter, so it weighs less. And now we can see it goes from heavy to being lighter in weight. Let's see, what do we think is going to happen with the ball and the tree block? Let's find out if it's going to be both light or one's going to be heavy and light. Let's see. I'm going to take out the rest of these from the buckets. We've already used them. I'm going to put the tree block into this bucket. And then this ball, the other one. And now it looks like they're balancing out. I'm going to see what other items there are. I also have two khaki sacks, and let's choose another natural item. I have natural items out here too. Tree blocks. So this one looks like a nature item, looks like almost like a pumpkin. Drop one in here. And let's drop the other two. I'm going to drop the other two in this bucket. The bean bags. Looks like the bean bags, they're a little more heavy. They look like there is two of them. There were two bean bags in this bucket, so that's what made it sink and go to the bottom. And this one is, in this bucket we just have one pumpkin, and that stays in the top there. So we have, as you can see, that this one is, this bucket right here is, there's two objects, and then there's one object in here, in this other bucket. You can also tell the kids that there's one object in one of the buckets, two in another, and you can, as they can see even visually, that two is more than one. I have some more items that we could put into the buckets. This is what we saw earlier, a tree stump, and I'm going to see how many tree stump, how many bean bags I can put into this bucket to make it to see if it will make it the weight equal. I'm going to add the bean bags in first. Let's see. 1, 2. I just add some bean bags, but I need to add the tree. I just remembered I need to add the tree stump in. In there, but let's see if we can get, want to see if we can make it close to even. I'm going to add some more bean bags in. Number 3, number 4, this is the 4th bean bag, 5, trying to move some. 6, and number 7, and now they're even. It's becoming even. The beanbags, the amount of beanbags are becoming even with the tree stump. It still even moves. So you can also, teachers, you can also add in, you can also count how many of the beanbags even out loud to help the children learn about counting and the quantity of objects, how to count to that quantity of objects, and to see if it's even going to match with the heavy object, like the tree stump.